want to change any other code, let's say curl node.js json, because we only need the Python code, so we are just selecting the Python code. In this video I will explain to you how to use OpenAI Python API. So first of all, you just need to open this OpenAI playground link, and you have to make sure that you are logged in on this link, and you have some account, you have some credits in your OpenAI account. So right sidebar you can do simple stuff. Let's say if you want to change the model, then you can just change the model. Let's say I'm just changing the model from GPT-4o to GPT-4o mini, and that is the response format. And if you want to add a custom function, you can add the custom functions at here. And here you can just select the temperature or maximum tokens, and here you can just select a system prompt. I'm just doing with the default system prompt. You are a helpful assistant, and from here I can just send a user message. Let's say I'm just sending a hello message for testing, and as you can see there is a code tab at here. So when you will click at here, you can get the Python code. Let's say if you want to change any other code, let's say curl node.js json, because we only need the Python code, so we are just selecting the Python code. You just need to copy the code at here. After copying the code, you have to make sure that Python is installed in your environment, pip has been installed, and then you can make a project. And in your project there are two packages should be installed: OpenAI a Python dot environment. Let's say if you want to use a env file. Okay, so I have already created a project at here, OpenAI API.py. So you can just simply copy the code at here. I have already copied the code at here. You need to copy your API key at here. And if you want to use the .env file, then you just need to use above code. That is a code for using OpenAI from the env file, and that is a code for using the directly API key. Okay, so I have already explained to you how you can generate API key. You can just click on the upper right corner to get this video where I have explained to you how to use OpenAI API key. And that is simple, the response from the API, and that is the model name, that is simple message. The role system messages are you are a helpful assistant, and user message is hello, how are you. And then the response format should be in text format, that is a temperature, max completion token. And I am just print out the simple two responses, the response directly from the OpenAI, and then I'm just showing the message of the OpenAI response. Okay, so after this you just need to go to the terminal. So you have to make sure that you have opened your project location. I have already opened my project location, and here you just need to run your script. Okay, so when I will just run this script, it will give me the response in JSON format or as well as in the response. So that is the response in the JSON format, and that is the only message response, and that is the response from the OpenAI. Okay, so if you have any question, just leave a comment. I will surely reply to you. Thank you very much. Bye.